This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below. Yeah, morning guys. It's August 18, 2019. This one here we're going to pick the winner for the H10 Pro leak detector from Value Testers, and a couple of stipulations here for the video. The comment's gonna have to say Value Testers and H10 Pro. Winner has to respond with the winning channel. Give me a partial name and address so I know that it's you. When you send me your full information to s.lavimoniere at comcast.net. That's my email address. The winner has to send me his name, full name, address, phone number, and email so I can get the shipping label printed out. Value testers will print out the shipping label so I don't have to pay for shipping. And U.S. residents only. We talked about that in the video to try to keep the shipping down. I mean, it's a $550 item. So, you know, overseas and Canada gets very expensive for shipping. 3 days to respond. The next giveaway I'm going to be doing is one of those torque wrenches for the mini splits. I already got it, and we will do that giveaway next weekend. All right, guys. I wish you luck. All right, guys. We're gonna pick the winner for the H10 Pro. Value Testers was the sponsor. They did send me this H10 Pro Deluxe HVAC refrigerant leak detector to give away to one of my subscribers, which they have been doing giveaways. They've been sending me stuff to give away. I've been doing one, you know, once a month, I guess. Every couple of weeks I'll do a giveaway, and we're actually every couple of weeks I've been doing them. Retail price is $570. It is on sale for $513, and it is going to be given away today. I got like 800 hits on the video. Let's go to the video in question, and we'll do a random pick on the guys that left comments on the video. I'll go back to my station. We'll be on my channel here. We'll go to my Creative Studio, and we'll alright, let's see if we can find it right here. H10 giveaway. 797 comments. I didn't get a lot of hits. I got some hits, not a lot, but I do get, you know, on these giveaways, I get right around 800 comments, which we're going to use this video, you know, to do the picking of the winner. Now, there's a couple of rules we have to follow here. Like I said on the original video, comments have to have Value Testers and H10 Pro in there somewhere. Today's date, 8/18/19. Winner has to respond with the winning channel, partial address. So when I pick the winner of the H10 Pro will have to respond from that channel, so I know that it's the proper person, and give me a partial address. And then he can email me, that winner, at, there's my email address, s.lavimoniere at comcast.net. Okay, and you have to give me your full name, your address, and phone number. Because what's going to happen is, Value Testers is going to, I'm going to send the information to Value Testers. They're going to print the label and send me the label, so I don't have to pay for shipping. And also, you know, you have to be a United States resident to be eligible to win. Also, I did say that in the original video for shipping purposes. Overseas into Canada is very, very expensive for shipping. And the winner's got 3 days to respond. If you don't respond within 3 days, I will pick a new winner. So let's go back to my channel and we'll click on this. We'll cut and paste this. Let's go back to my channel. I want to make sure it's fair for everybody. Alright, so where do we go? Right here, value testers. Alright, so we'll click on it. Copy link address. Boom. And we'll go over to the random.org. We'll go ahead and random.org. I'll paste it. Okay. Get YouTube comments. Filter duplicate users. So if I did more than once, it's not gonna, come up. Okay, so 781 comments. Here we go. Start. Okay, winner is Air Mechanical. Value testers, H10 Pro. So he's eligible to win. So that is the winner right there. Air Mechanical. He's got 3 days to respond from this channel. I'm gonna go back and to the video and see what this Air Mechanical's his site looks like. So when he responds, I make sure it's the proper guy, because a lot of people tried to scam me out of these giveaways. Send me their email address and not even the guy I picked. So that's why you have to go through this procedure to the winner has to respond with the winning channel with a partial address. Just give me a partial address, so when you send me the proper address, I know it's you. Correct? Does that make sense? Because like I said, a lot of people, especially these clowns from New York, trying to send me 3 or 4 people send me, here, I'm the winner, send me, here's my address, send me this stuff. It's not even the right guy. I mean, come on. I'm not stuck on stupid here. Alright, congratulations to Air Mechanical.